Striking up a conversation with your crush can feel intimidating. But there are things you can do to keep it from getting awkward. Wait for a time when your crush isn't feeling rushed or busy. For example, try approaching them at a party or a relaxed event at school or work. Try to think of a topic that they might be interested in, like a hobby you both enjoy, a TV show they like, or a class that the two of you share. Before you start to chat, eat a breath mint or chew a little sugar-free gum to make your breath fresh. Try opening the conversation with a lighthearted joke, an open-ended question, or a comment about what's going on around you. To keep the conversation going, ask questions about their interests and hobbies. Listen actively and use friendly, open body language to show that you're interested in what they have to say. If the conversation is going well, ask them if they'd like to hang out. You can also give them your number or ask for theirs. Lastly, find an upbeat way to wrap up your chat. For example, say something like, "I have to run the class, but it's been great chatting. Let's talk again soon."